Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code 0x and then a bunch of F's and then E. The game has crashed, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can go ahead and do is open up Steam or right click on whatever way you're opening up Black Ops 6. So if you have it either downloaded through the Xbox app or Steam, basically whatever you're using, go ahead and right click on it, and then from here go to properties. From properties, go over to compatibility, and then from compatibility, go ahead and check two boxes. These first box you guys want to check and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and X out. And then from here you can open up Steam, normally. And then once it is open, you can go over to library. From library, go over to Call of Duty, right click on it, hit properties, and then from here go over to installed files. Now from installed files, what you want to do is you want to basically just click on verify integrity of game files, and then once that's done verifying, you should be good to go, and now you are all set. So that is it for the video. You can always restart your PC as well, something to keep in mind. But anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.